Social media is a great tool to market your business, but you have to use it with intention and purpose. Watch this video to see my easy formula on how to use social media for your bakery effectively. If you love stress-free cake and business tips, don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell to be notified whenever I post new videos. When I sold cakes, Instagram was my #1 way of reaching new clients other than word of mouth. Throughout those years, I really understood what worked and what didn't, so I created the simple formula that I'm sharing with you today. This is called the Baker Formula. I know, pretty fitting, right? So let's dive in and understand what each letter represents. B stands for behind the scenes. This can be shown in a variety of ways, such as photos of you in your workspace, a time-lapse video of you building a wedding cake, shots of a new recipe being developed. The main goal with behind the scenes content is to get your audience to connect more with you and also for them to get excited about what's to come in the near future. It's almost like you're building some hype around your next product launch or your next cake series. People love connecting with people. So don't be afraid to show your personality and how there is so much more to your business than just cakes. You have to remember that other bakeries are using Instagram to showcase their work and market themselves, but what can set you apart and make you really unique is to show behind the scenes content. A is for action. Whenever your audience sees your content, you want them to take action and ultimately book you. You can even straight up ask your audience to book a consultation with you, email you, text, or call you. By explicitly telling people what to do in order to book you, you make it easier for both you and your client. K is for knowing your ideal clients. There's a very popular quote that says, "If you try to attract everyone, you end up attracting no one." For example, if you sell super high quality, organic, custom cakes, you want to think about posting content that will attract your ideal client. So that could mean sharing high quality photos of your work, sharing your starting prices, talking about you going to the farmer's market every week to source local and organic products. You want to think about ways that your ideal client is going to connect and really relate to you. I know it might be scary to think about posting only for a very specific niche audience, but when you do this, it's kind of like a filtering system. So you're going to attract only your dream clients, and then you're going to steer away or filter out anyone who is not going to purchase from you. At the end of the day, you have to remember that social media isn't about getting more followers, but it's about attracting high quality followers who are going to purchase from you. E is for engagement. When people message you or leave a comment on a post, they always feel more loved when you respond to them. You can set aside specific times or hours of the day where you focus solely on responding to people. You can even take it a step further and reach out to past clients who have purchased from you through social media and just see how they're doing. Lastly, R is for reviews. Sometimes people don't have time to book a consultation with you or try samples of your work, so if they're able to read what past clients are saying, they can be more encouraged to purchase from you and make a decision about whether or not you're a good fit for them. You can take screenshots of reviews that people have texted you or emailed you. You can type it up in a post. You can put it in a highlights feature on your page. There are so many different ways to kind of sprinkle in these kind words that past clients have spoken of you. These sweet words help future customers feel more confident in booking you, and it helps them trust you a little bit more, especially if these reviews are about the quality of your work, your flavors, even your customer service. So there you have it, my super easy Baker formula on using social media for your bakery. If you try any of these out, let me know in the comments below. You can even DM me on Instagram at justbecause. If you liked this video, make sure to click like, hit subscribe, and if you want even more marketing ideas for your bakery, grab my free downloadable guide linked below.